Hello. I've got an unboxing and review for you, I guess, of the ZOEKIM 6 LED cordless touch light battery operated lamp. It's the puck light they call it. It's a new version. Not sure what the new version upgrades are because I don't know what the last one was. So, whatever. On Amazon it's $12.99, prime shipping. The listing is ZOEKIM Super Bright LED Tap Light Cordless Touch Activated, Battery Operated, Stick-On Push Night Light for closets, cabinets, attics, garages, cars, sheds, storage sheds. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, here we got cordless design, battery operated, easy to install, sticker and screw, etc., etc. Here's the instructions are actually on the back with installation for the batteries. It uses 3 AAA batteries, which they do not include for you. Touch and press the light panel to turn it on and off. Long press, 3 seconds plus. Light will be turned on and off automatically after 60 seconds. So I guess that works. 3A batteries for 40 hours of use, which isn't too bad, I guess. LEDs, I like LED stuff, and these, I've got a lot of these different types of lights around my house. They just come in really handy. But, as it comes with screws, you can either screw it on, or you can use the double-sided 3M tape, whichever kind of mounting you prefer. And here's the light. As you can see, it's not very big, but we've got 6 LEDs here in the center. Little power insignia. It taps, of course. The bottom is the battery compartment. It twists. There's 2 holes there for the screws, or you can put this right in the center to mount it with the tape, either whichever way you want to do. I'm thinking about mounting it in a closet with a wooden shelf above it. So I'll probably use the screws, because then all you do is you'll attach this on there, and to change the battery, you just, twist it. But here's this battery compartment here. So let's do this. Put this in here like so, and close it back up. Okay, well, so let me turn this off. Oh, okay, that's weird. So 3-color light, long press 5 seconds, lights will be turned bi-color, warm and white. Oh, okay, cool, I see. They get brighter. Off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there we go. I see. I thought it was broken. Maybe I should have actually read the instructions, huh? See, it didn't really say it on here, though, about that. Huh. The Amazon listing said that, though. Click it off. And then, of course, to change it, like so. And it goes to there. Makes it brighter. Off. Back on. Oh, then it'll switch to those ones. I see how it works. Huh, that's kind of cool. So you have your choice of either or. I mean, of course, for my uses, it's going to be in a closet, so I would want all of them. And full brightness, like so. This is what I would want in my, what I'm going to have in my closet, actually. But that's it. I think it's nice. Once you figure out how to use it, I guess, like I just did. And 40 hours is pretty good because basically it's going to be in a closed closet. So, I mean, what, 5 minutes or so, you're going to be in there using it a day, maybe. So this should last for a long time with 40 hours. It's plastic, of course, which is fine by me. And I do like the brown. There are other colors available, I believe. From what I can see, it looks like there's a white available or a copper color of this. The copper color works well because in my closet it's a dark brown, the shelf. So this kind of matches much better. But ZOEKIM Super Bright LED Tap Light. I like it. I'm happy with it so far. I mean, once I get it installed and after it's used for a while, we'll see, I guess. But as of now, I like this. It seems like a decent quality. There's, it seems well made. There's not like, extra plastic or anything like that floating around on it. Fairly easy to use, I guess. I mean, you can change it, yes, but like for my uses, I'm just gonna I'll leave it on one mode and just off and on. That's it. Thanks.